Another revolution in science led to a development in science of geology. That scientific revolution begins with catastrophism, the idea that the earth is shaped by a series of catastrophes over a relatively short amount of time. The idea was proposed by Georges Cuvier, studying the Paris Basin, discovering extinctions of organisms there, and speculating that those extinction events occurred because of major catastrophes in the Earth's history. And then you have another scientist named James Hutton around 1780, about a generation or so after Cuvier, and he develops the idea that rather than the Earth being shaped by catastrophes occurring over a short amount of time, that the Earth was actually shaped by everyday processes acting over vast amounts of geologic time. And that opened up a doorway for the study of the day-to-day processes that are happening around us to understand the geologic morphology, the geomorphology of how the Earth's surface is shaped by day-to-day processes. If something's happening by a global catastrophe, you can't really study those because they very rarely happen, and if you tried to study them, you would probably die. However, if you're studying day-to-day processes, that gives you a lot more opportunity to develop the science of geology. The motto was that the present is the key to the past. If you want to know what happened in the past, just look at the processes that are happening today. And so the revolution, the paradigm shift from catastrophism to uniformitarianism is what began opening up the study of the geological sciences. And then after Hutton, Charles Lyell, and others would extend that in seeing the Earth as extremely ancient.